Weed Prevention, a guide to understanding and managing unwanted plants. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the concept of weed prevention. This is a vital topic for gardeners, farmers, and anyone interested in maintaining healthy and aesthetically pleasing outdoor spaces. Understanding what weeds are and how to prevent them is key to effective garden management. Let's dive into the world of weeds and learn how to keep them at bay. Weeds are basically unwanted plants that grow in places where they are not desired. They can be found in gardens, farms, lawns, and even in cracks in sidewalks. Weeds compete with other plants for resources such as water, sunlight, and nutrients. This competition can harm the plants you want to grow. Weeds can be native or non-native, and they vary widely in how they look and grow. Preventing weeds is crucial for several reasons. First, it helps in conserving water and nutrients for the plants you want to grow. Secondly, it keeps your garden looking neat and tidy. Weeds can also be hosts for diseases and pests that can harm other plants. By preventing weeds, you also save time and effort that would otherwise be spent in removing them. There are several effective ways to prevent weeds. 1. Mulching. Covering the soil with mulch prevents weed seeds from getting sunlight, thus stopping their growth. 2. Dense planting. Planting your desired plants close together leaves less room for weeds to grow. 3. Using landscape fabric. This blocks sunlight and prevents weed growth while allowing water and air to reach the soil. 4. Regular maintenance. Regularly checking and removing any small weeds before they grow big can save a lot of effort. When it comes to weed control, there are natural and chemical methods. Natural methods include mulching, hand pulling, and using natural herbicides like vinegar. Chemical methods involve using synthetic herbicides. While chemical methods can be effective, they may have environmental impacts and can harm beneficial insects and plants. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of weed prevention and how you can manage it effectively in your own space. Remember, consistent efforts and the right techniques are key to keeping those pesky weeds away. Happy gardening, and see you in our next video.